In Belmont County all day, tow truck drivers have been working non-stop because it's such a large county geographically. There are many different conditions depending on where you are. Let's check in with DK Wright, who's live in Belmont County and has a wrap-up of what's been happening there today. DK.
Even where the roads have been plowed, and a lot of them have, this just isn't a good evening to go out for a drive. Because under the 6 to 9 inches of snow, there's also a layer of ice. That's why Belmont County has been on a level 2 driving emergency all day. Chief Deputy James Zuzak says there haven't been too many crashes with vehicles hitting each other. It's another type of highway emergency.
Serious accidents with people sliding off the roadways, getting towed out of ditches. We're still on a level 2. If you don't have to go anywhere, don't go anywhere. Other than that, just be safe on the roadway. You have to be on the roadways.
We've heard from some people in Coleraine. They say they got about 7 inches of snow on the porch, but several feet out farther on the property where it has drifted. And we've just heard the chief deputy saying that cars have been sliding off the roads all day. The Ohio State Highway Patrol told us the same thing. Tow truck drivers have been busy pulling drivers out of ditches. And now that the sun is going down, it's getting even colder. DK Wright live in Belmont County for 7 News.